I'm glad you shared those screenshots. That style is actually perfect for what you want. Slow, simple, repeatable, and highly engaging. I'll give you a powerful, clean, copy-paste ready script in simple American English, designed to keep viewers watching till the end. I won't add any headings or numbers, just a smooth flow exactly how you asked. Take a deep breath and relax. You are in the right place. You don't need perfect English here. You don't need big words. You just need to listen, repeat, and feel the language. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly. You can follow me step by step. You can pause, repeat, and practice anytime. This is your time to improve. This is your time to grow. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Just stay with me till the end, and you will feel more confident. Now let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath. I stretch my body. I sit on my bed. I look around my room. I feel calm and fresh. I check my phone. I see the time. I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I go back to my room. I make my bed. I open the window. Fresh air comes inside. I feel good. I change my clothes. I wear something comfortable. I get ready for the day. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I prepare my breakfast. I make simple food. I eat slowly. I enjoy my meal. I sit quietly. I think about my day. After breakfast, I get ready for work. I pack my bag. I check my things. I take my phone. I take my keys. I take my wallet. I leave my house. I walk outside. I see people around me. Some people are busy. Some people are walking fast. Some people are talking. I feel the morning energy. I go to my workplace. I start my work. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I reply to messages. I focus on my tasks. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel bored. But I keep going. I stay focused. I do my best. I take short breaks. I drink water. I relax for a moment. Then I go back to work. Time passes slowly. Then it moves fast. Soon it is afternoon. I feel hungry again. I go for lunch. I eat simple food. I sit with friends. We talk and laugh. We enjoy the moment. After lunch, I go back to work. I continue my tasks. I stay calm. I stay focused. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I learn from them. I improve every day. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. I am learning English. I am getting better. I am improving every day. I am not afraid. I am confident. Very good. Let's continue. In the evening, I finish my work. I pack my things. I leave my workplace. I go back home. I feel relaxed. I feel free. I take some rest. I sit on my bed or sofa. I watch something on my phone. I listen to music. Sometimes I go outside. I walk in the park. I enjoy fresh air. I see people around me. I feel peaceful. After some time, I go back home. I prepare my dinner. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. After dinner, I relax. I talk to my family. I call my friends. I spend time with loved ones. Now let's practice again. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I understand English. I am improving. I am confident. Say it again. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I understand English. I am improving. I am confident. Great job. Now let's go deeper. I don't translate in my mind. I think in English. I listen carefully. I repeat naturally. I don't rush. I take my time. I stay calm. I enjoy the process. Learning English is not hard. You just need practice. You just need patience. You just need consistency. You are doing great. Keep going. Now imagine your day. Imagine your morning. Imagine your routine. Say this with me. I wake up early. I start my day strong. I feel positive. I feel confident. I go to work. I do my tasks. I stay focused. I come back home. I relax. I enjoy my life. This is your life. This is your journey. Every day you are growing. Every day you are improving. Don't stop now. Now let's repeat some powerful sentences. I believe in myself. I trust my journey. I am not afraid to speak. I am learning every day. I am becoming better. Again, I believe in myself. I trust my journey. I am not afraid to speak. I am learning every day. I am becoming better. Feel the confidence. Feel the energy. Now slow down. Relax your mind. Take a deep breath. You're doing amazing. Just by watching this video, just by listening, just by repeating, you are improving your English. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need perfect accent. You just need to speak. Speak slowly, speak clearly, speak confidently. That is the key. Now let's finish with a strong mindset. I will not give up. I will keep learning. I will practice every day. I will speak English confidently. Say it with power. I will not give up. I will keep learning. I will practice every day. I will speak English confidently. Very good. Come back to this video again. Listen again. Repeat again. Use this daily.